Welcome back everyone. In this video, we want to make the blog and blog details dynamic. For this, I have already prepared some prompt. If you have some time, please go through the prompt. This I want to upload the files. Yesterday it has created some files for us. I want to upload those files again. Those files, I'm just asking the AI, please rewrite those files to make the blog dynamic. Blog and blog details, web.php and pagecontroller.php. What I need in the blog details in the right sidebar, we have some widgets. So I'm asking the widgets with the count and everything. So if you can see the design, so this is a blog, and if you can click the blog details, maybe you will see in the right sidebar. Can you see there are some widgets, latest blog, and blog with categories with count, every category with some count. And if I can click on any category, I want to list all the blogs under the category. If I can click the blog details again, we will come to this page, and that blog information users can see. Implement. This is the functionality we want to implement here. What I did in our admin panel, I have added some blog articles, around 24 articles I added. I have added some categories also, 5 categories. Under each category, I added 5 articles. Five are 25 articles are there in our blog articles there in our database. Now this portion, I want to make this dynamic. This is what our agenda now. To do this, I already prepared prompt. Can you go to my editor? This is the prompt. Let me copy the prompt and let me jump into ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, already we used a thread yesterday. That thread I just want to continue. So here I want to paste my prompt. Yeah, let me try to upload the files here. I'm just going to write blog.blade.php. So we have to upload another file, blog details blade also. This is blog details, but these two are important files. Let me try to upload web.php as well as controller also we want to upload. So let us go to this app, HTTP controllers, page controller, as well as let me try to upload web.php. If we can go to routes folder, we have something called web.php. So because we need some dynamic routes this time, that's fine. And let me try to upload the migrations files also, because there is some relation files are there. Just upload the migrations file. Even if we can take the screenshot of database also, that's fine. No problem. Just I'm going to migrations. Here we have to upload blog category and categories. These 3 migrations files I'm uploading. Just these are for the reference. All the relationships were maintained in that migrations file, right? So this is the just reference to this AI tool. That's all. Do I need to do anything? So I hope I am done. So let me try to hit enter. My prompt is clear. And if anything not coming as expected, we will re-ask the AI tool. And I don't want this, I need this, I need that. Such a way we can ask. Okay, let me hit enter. You please wait for some time. We know that it will take some time to analyze the files and the prompt. Yeah, it is generating the code. We will see. So this is a blog model. Okay, blog model. Already blog model is there. We don't want to, oh, maybe we need to add this function, the select function maybe. Any other fillable is already there. We don't want to work hard in this also. Just we want to add this slug, very important. So okay, so we will update the models. Okay, please let me check other routes.php. Fine. So these are the 3 dynamic routes they are giving. Fine, we will do this. And I ask the AI implement the pagination for the blog articles. I have 25 articles. I don't want to display all 25. Per page 12 articles I want to display. That's what the thing. I just see latest 12 article with pagination. So after that, page controller, yeah, it is updating the blog index as well as updating blog category by category as well as blog show. Fine. So this is blog.blade.php. It is making the blog.blade.php dynamic as well as still writing blog-details.blade.php. Okay, let me go top and let me start work on it. So first, what we need to do? So we have to open blog model. So open your editor. So where is my model? This is a model, blog model. Just we want to add the following function. Sorry, it's copying everything. I will just copy the slug. The slug function only I'm copying. Categories relation is already there. Please verify this is already there. We don't want to override the whole code. Please check before copy pasting. Right. So get route by name, as well as you have to open the same category model, and you can add the following inside of it. Category model, just try to add the following function somewhere in the file, in the class, not somewhere in the file, in the class you have to add this. Fine, so I'm done. Now we have to open web.php. Let's make all these routes, copy paste, and open web.php. And where is my web.php routes? Inside the routes, we have web.php. Just these are the old routes. Now we are making these dynamic routes. These are the dynamic routes. Next thing, copy paste the controller thing. So controller thing we can copy as it is. So please check this. This is already static thing and these are the dynamic thing. So let me copy all the controller to make the pods dynamic. Do you have this file here? No file. So do one thing. So PageController.php, just remove everything. Just copy paste the code that we got from the AI tool. I'm done. So what is the next thing? So this is a blog.blade.php. Copy the code. Open blog.blade.php. Yeah, file. This is a file. Let me. This time it is all dynamic. Earlier we have a lot of static content, right? So let me add this. Now I think this perfectly right. Done. Now the next thing, blog.blade.php. Next, blog-details.blade.php. Copy the code and open the blog details blade, remove all this stuff and just add the following code. Now one more thing, not completed I believe. We have header also I believe. Header is there. I think it may have done already. I don't know, but need to verify. So then it is asking me to clear everything. Okay, that's fine. We will clear everything. But is header is dynamic? That we need to verify. Let me open headerblade.php. So in header blade, oh sorry, not here, app blade layout. So where we will see this header, I think we will see in the layouts, app blade. Here is the place there we can see the information. So we have a fine yield, title, edu length, and what else? Okay, let me try to check it. So it is going to do something. We don't have meta title and meta description. Do we have here? Okay, first let me run this application. Let me check this. So after that, what is it is asking? It is asking me to clear the application. So I mean clear the cache. So let me try to clear all these commands. Let me run this application. Route clear, cache clear, view clear, optimize clear. Yeah, they're clearing one by one. Yeah, all the things got cleared. Now let me run the application. So where is my application? This is front end, right? Yeah, this is front end. Let me try to refresh. I think in the front end, we are not asking the make this portion dynamic. Wait for some time. So we will ask this also. First open the blog page. Are these blogs are dynamic or not? Yeah, these blogs are dynamic. Where is the image? Image, we are getting this as a broken image, but we need to wait. So they are getting, yeah, pagination also getting perfectly 12 articles per row. And here we are getting blog categories, all 25 blog, education 3, entertainment 5, technology 7, right? So sports is 5, health is 5, something like this. Finally, all blog articles are 25. Why this image is not coming? I don't know. That we need to verify. So where is my blog blade? Where is the blog blade? Yeah, here is the blog blade. Images are not getting, but images are not inside the assets folder. They are not inside the assets folder. I think we are moving these images. I too seriously don't know. Let me check the path where I am moving. So if we can go to this filament resource, blogs, we have blog resource.php. Can you see here? No, I think we have to go to schemas and there is a blog form. In the blog form, we're attaching the images. Those attached images are going to where? Blogs. Where this folder is creating, need to verify. The folder is creating where? 1 minute. Let me check this. Go to the public. So do we have blogs folder here? No, I think it is in the storage. I think we forget to link the storage actually. Let me open this terminal and let me try to link the storage. So this is the command to link the storage. Now I think this is perfectly linked. Just inspecting this and we will see the path from where the image is coming from. Images are coming from the following path, right? So images are not there inside the assets folder. Let us ask the AI tool again. So images are not there inside the assets folder. All the uploaded images are in this location, storage blogs location. I better to write like this, in this location, location. In this location, please make the things dynamic again. Please rewrite the blade files. Just I'm hinting. So maybe it will try to rewrite the files. Let us see. Are not there inside the assets folder. All the uploaded images are in this location, storage blogs location. I better to write like this, in this location, location. In this location, please make the things dynamic again. Link the storage. I think I already did so. Let me try to go and check this terminal. Yeah, I already linked the storage. But again, error. What is the error I'm getting? So this is already linked, right? That's why the error may be. Already link exists. Just I run this command. Now blog.blade.php, copy the code and let me try to paste this code into the blog.blade.php. I'm just going to paste the code. Perfect. We are done with the blog blade. Next is going to be blog details blade. Copy the code. And where is our blog details? This is the place where we have. So copy the code. Is it copied everything? I think something is missing. Still it is writing, I believe. Yeah, it is writing. We copied half of the code. It is completed. Let me copy the code. So please check. You can wait for some time because it is generating, right? Yeah, I'm done. Let me try to go to the blog and refresh it. Yep, fine. So we are getting images. I don't know seriously what is the problem previously. Fine, but this design, some links or underlines are coming, but previously we don't have. Okay, no problem. There is a little work that we need to do. And if I can click on this, any one of the article, can we see? Yeah, this title is also got updated. Is kidney damage linked something? And this is the title of this and image and some information. And yep, can you see these are the health related category health. In this category health, three articles it is trying to display. Fine. So if you can click all articles, maybe you will see all the blog articles. Oh, I think it is giving the pagination. Just we are redirecting to blogs page. Um, Fine. I think so. This is working. So if I can click any one of the blog, okay, let me click on a specific category. Technology, I am clicking. If I can click the technology, oh, this is the technology category. Under the technology category, we have 7 articles. Yeah, perfectly. We are able to see the 7 articles. If I can click any one of the article, maybe you will see that article and its information, right? Yeah, that image and thumbnail is different, image is different for this. But most of the images, what I did, thumbnail and the main image, same thing I uploaded. Right. So now if we can see the same image, you can see as a thumbnail as well as banner image also you can see. Little adjustments we need to do. So the design initially looks good and spacing and everything, but right now it got designed like this again. This is not keeping track, right? Yeah. So but we have to mention don't change any design. So you keep the blocks and widgets as it is. Such a way if we can mention, I think our task is done, right? Okay, and finally, we are done with these guys here, right? So we are successfully making our blog and blog details dynamic. Okay, in next session, I will create one CRUD operation for course and course category. And if we can click the courses, we want to see the courses dynamic as well as and course categories. Can you see these are the categories? And if I can click this under the category, we want to see those articles, this functionality that we need to implement. What I want to say finally, we want to work with the courses And course details. This CRUD operation also not implemented in our admin panel. Yeah, so courses is not there in the left side pan, and course category is also not there. So this we will work in the next video. Thank you. If you have any questions, please post under the video section.